First thing for MSW logo, what we will do, MSW, we will type MSW logo download, or just MSW logo. So the first link here we are getting, here you can see these are all, so you can go through it. And Softonic, it's a Softonic website here. So here you will find that MSW logo is here. From here you can download a free download for PC here. So it's not paid, rather it's free of cost. So you can download just by clicking here, like if I press here, it will start downloading. Okay. Okay. So in logo programming language, MSW logo, if we open the software here, then it starts with like two. It has two screen. Okay, one is uh, one is the main screen, and this one is commander. So there are two here, two window. One is main window, and the other one is commander window. Commander window written here. So coding, whatever coding we will do here in commander window. There is one input box. Okay, so if we put the cursor here, it will blink here. So this is in commander window. Okay, and inside the commander window here, we are having input box. So you can see that we can take it here there. So this is what we are having. Okay, and if we go through through the software, we will find that it's a one triangle is there in the main screen. Okay, so in the main window, one triangular shape is there, and it shows now. Generally, we call it turtle. Okay, so that's why it's also called turtle programming language, because it is whatever geometry we draw here, it is done by the turtle. So here, if we can explore, it is file here, bitmap set. So with the help of set, we can set the pen size and color, all the things. So zoom and help. But currently, we will not do. We will use these things. Only we will do here. We will start with the coding here. Okay. So suppose we start with the coding here. So FD, we write one first code. Our first code FD 100. So by writing just FD 100, what happens? This cursor, uh, this turtle is going up. It is going north way here, 100 pixel. Okay. So again, if we want to take it in the right direction, so we have to give right turn, RT right turn 90. Because we have to move 90 degree. So we have moved 90 degree. Now in this way, again we can go FD and 60. It will go 60. Okay. So from this one we can observe that FD is for forward. So FD is for forward. FD is for forward, and RT is for right turn. Then suppose again we write here FD mm, FD 40 will go 40 more. So it is 100 here and 100 this one. So 100 vertical, 100 horizontal. Again, if you want to, suppose we want to make one square. So again we will go to right turn. So we will write here right RT and then 90. If 90. Suppose we don't give here a space, then see what happens. Then it will give error. So we have to, after this FT RT, we have to give space. Okay. So RT 90. So now turtle is heading towards the down. Okay. Now again we will give FD. Suppose we give FD this time 80. Okay, and it will go here. Then we can press here. Either we press here for executing the command, Either we press enter or we press here execute just beside the input box. Okay, so now here we have is, so for 100 we have to go 20 more. Suppose we want to go back, so we have to use bk. Suppose we are going back 20, so it is bk 20 we are writing. So we have gone 20, so effectively 80 minus 20 we have gone 60 here. Okay, so again we can go fd 40, okay. And then again right turn, we'll again right turn 90 degree, and then suppose this time we are writing lowercase using a lowercase. So if fd 100, so let's see whether it works. So yeah, it is working. So it means that it is not case sensitive. Okay, so it's not case sensitive, and these are very commonly used command: fd, rt, then bk is for backward, going backward, then rt. These are, then again we can go to art. We can go left also. So left turn, lt for left turn. Now suppose we want to hide this turtle, then then one command is h hide turtle h. So this is hide turtle. If we this will, but if we want to show it again, we put st. Suppose uh, we want to remove all the things whatever is here on the screen. So we will use cs, clear screen. Okay, and suppose here if we want to clean all these whatever text is here, so we will be using ct, clean text. Okay, so in the commander window, if we type ct, all the history of the command will be vanish. Ct and then press enter or execute. Okay, so everything gone here. So these are the so here we can see on the commander window there are 6 buttons here. These are called control buttons. So with the help of reset we can again go to the home position here and execute. So so these are some basic things about the logo, and as we will proceed further, we will see that how to draw different geometry.